Mabuting araw! For today's video, panibagong topic na naman ang ating matutunghayan kung paano ba mag-file ng sickness benefit online. FYI lang, di po pwede makapag-file ng sickness benefit online kung hindi pa tayo nakapag-register sa Disbursement Account Enrollment Module or DAEM. Para makapag-register sa DAEM, please watch my previous uploaded video on saon pag-register sa Disbursement Account Enrollment Module sa SSS portal. By the way, what is sickness benefit? A daily cash allowance paid for the number of days a member is unable to work due to sickness or injury. Sino ba ang pwede mag-avail ng sickness benefit? Employed, self-employed, voluntary members, overseas Filipino workers, non-working spouses, and members separated from employment.